Very good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to Maths online class. This is SA2 revision class, Nana. This is divided into 3 parts. Totally 6 chapters will come in our SA2 exam. In this video, we will discuss part 1, factors and multiples and decimals. Part 2, perimeter and area, fractions. Part 3, time and measurement. Now, factors and multiples chapter we will discuss and decimals also. Find out 24 factors. 24. One is every number factor. One is factor of each and every number. 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24. Not there in 5 table in 24. Yes, is there 6 table in 24? Yes, 4 6s are already coming now. 6 4s are 4 6s are 24. So, factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4 24 12 8 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. These are factors of 24. Write down the first 5 multiples of. Here given 6 11 16 21 and 25. Write down first 5 multiples of. Now let us discuss 6 and 11. They are asking only first 5 multiples of given numbers. 6 and 11, whatever it may be, first 5 multiples only we have to write. 6 table, did you know? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. Okay, these are first 5 multiples of given number. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Now 11. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55. These are first 5 multiples of given numbers. This like we have to find out multiples. Okay, first you learn tables perfectly. Okay, find whether the number is prime or composite. Given numbers, which is prime, write there P, which is composite, write there C. So 5 is prime number. Only 1 and itself only factors of this number. 5 1s are 5, 1 5s are 5. So this is prime number. 16 is composite number. 2 8s are 16, 1 16 are 16, 4 4s are 16, which is more than 2 factors, that is composite. 22 also composite because 22 1s are 22, 11 2s are 22, 1 22 11, 3 factors is there, no? So this is also composite. Remember this, children, which number having more than 2 factors, that is called composite. Which number having 1 and itself, factors 1 and itself, that is called prime number. 31 also not there any factor. 1 31 only prime number, factors of this number. So this is prime number. 11 also prime number. 1 11s are 11, 11 1s are 11. So prime number. 24, 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. So more than 2 factors of this number. So this is composite. Okay, 42 also composite. 39, is there any factors? Yes, 1 39s are 39, 13 3s are 39, that like. So more than 2 factors, no? So this is also composite. 51 also composite. 1 51s are 51, 51 1s are 51. Next 17 3s are 51. So this is also composite number. Okay, write the number which is the neither prime nor composite. The number 1 is the neither prime nor composite. Which is the smallest even prime number? The smallest even prime number is 2. Every prime number except 2 is odd. Every prime number is odd except 2. The number 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is factor of all numbers. Each prime number has exactly 2 factors. Each prime number has exactly 2 factors. Dash is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is only even prime number. 2 is only even prime number. Find the prime numbers between 1 and 50. Find the composite numbers 1 and 50. I will explain now. Find all the prime numbers between 1 and 50. Between 1 and 50. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. These are having 1 and itself only factors. These numbers having only 1 and itself factors. 1 and 50. 1 to 50 between these all prime numbers is there. Next, find all composite numbers between 1 and 50. Which are not prime number, that is composite number. Composite means which is more than 2 factors, that is composite number. They are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49, 50. These are all composite numbers, more than 2 factors. So that's why these are composite numbers. Complete the factor tree. 20. Is there 2 table in 20? Yes. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. Now as it is, write down 2 and divide 10 2 parts. 2 5s are or 5 2s are, whatever it may be, you have to write here. 2 5s are, 5 2s are, both are equal. So 2 5s are 10. This is the factor tree. Okay, one more number we will discuss. 36. 36. So 2 18s are 36. If you have any doubt, divide directly side. 2 1s are 2 minus 16. 2 18s are 16. If you are perfect in tables, no need to division. Okay, 2 18s are 36. So you have to write here 18. Again 2 write down and divide 2 parts 18. Is there 18 in 2 table? Yes. 2 9s are 18. 2 write down. Sorry, 2 write. Now divided. Not there 9 in 2 table. So go to 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Factors of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 9s are 36. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 9s are 36. Next, page number 68. Find the first 2 common multiples of. First 2 common multiples. Now let us discuss. 2 table common first 5 multiples. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 table 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Which are common multiples? Common multiples are circle it. 10, 10, only 10. So round it. To discuss about decimals chapter. Deci means 1/10. Deci means 1/10. Whole number. Here 2 parts given. Before point number is whole number part. After point number is decimal part. Middle point is decimal point. Okay. This like we have to divide into one point. First before point before number is whole number part. Point after number is decimal part. And the middle of the point is there, that is decimal point. Write down how these numbers are read. 0.5, 3.6, 74.2. Next 0.04, 7.15. Point after read single digits. Don't read 15. 15 only correct. Okay, 7.15. 26.04. Now write these as decimals. 0.9, 0.9, 0.9, whatever it may be, both are correct. 6.7, 89.9, 89.9, 0.55, 2.75, 21.92. Okay. Now addition of the decimals. Point after we have to add 3 plus 1, 4. Very easy, as like same as additions. Point keep the appropriate place. Okay. Next 4 plus 2, 6. Write down as ones place only. Okay. You have to add only ones place. 6 plus 2, 8. Point 4 plus 2, 6. Remember children, ones place onwards you have to add. 8 plus 3, 11. 116.86 total is. Next 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Keep the point appropriate place. Don't change the point. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 4, 46.66. Next 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. Okay. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 1 right up, 8 right down. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 98.79. Now subtract. Subtraction same as like whole numbers addition. Same as like whole number subtraction. Point subtraction is also same like that. Okay. 8 minus 5, 3. Keep the point same place. Okay. 0.3. Ones place onwards you have to subtract. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 0.23. 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 22.2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. This is smaller than this number, so we have to take bar of before number. 3 become 13. Next 7 become 6. Okay. 3 become 13. 7 become 6. 13 minus 7, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. After this video, I will send one practice sheet. Prepare well. No need to send. Okay. Practice well. Get ready for your exam. All the best. I will send along with this video one practice sheet. Prepare well. All the best. Next, solve the problems. First one is a rope is 2 meters long. A piece measuring 0.5 is cut off. How much remains? A rope is 2 meters long. A piece measuring 0.5 is cut off. How much remains? How much remains? Total number of rope is 2 meters. 0.5 meters only cut off. So, how much remains? We have to do here subtraction. First write steps. Number of meters of rope length is 2 meters. Number of meters piece cut off is 0.5 meters. So 2.00. Put 0 at the fill up this gap. Next 0.5. Put the 0 here, fill up this gap. The 0 is the right side number, can be omitted. This is not affect the value. So no, don't worry. Now subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. Take the bar to before number. 0 become 10, 2 become 1. 10 minus 5, 5.1. So, how much remain? 1.50 meters. meters rope is remain. So arrange this given measurements in order. Put the zero, fill this gap. Here put the zero, fill this gap. This is not effect of this subtraction. Okay, this is not effect of this subtraction, so you have to fill up this gap. Zeros only right hand can be omitted. Okay, so 1.50 meters rope is remain. Second one, we require 90.75 kgs of sugar for our sister's marriage. We purchase only 75.5 kgs of sugar. How much more sugar should we purchase for the purpose? Here required sugar is 95.75 kgs. Then we have to purchase only 75.5 kgs. So how much should we purchase for the purpose? First, we should write steps. Number of kgs sugar required 90.75 kgs. We purchase only 75.5 kgs. So, how much more sugar should we purchase for the purpose? So, now we have to subtract 90.75 kgs minus we purchase only 75.5. Here, we keep 0. Put the 0, fill up this gap. Okay, now subtract. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Take borrow 2 before number. 9 become 8, 0 become 10. 10 minus 5, 8 minus 7, 1. So we should purchase 15 kgs to 5 grams sugar. So we purchase 15.25 kgs sugar. Okay, write your text. Along this video I will send one worksheet. Prepare well.